Good day, all. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Anita and the Honeybees. The lesson has been divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Now we are going to see part 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn about a girl who struggled a lot to shine her need. The story is about a girl named Anita Kushwaha. In most part of India, education for girls is still considered not so important, but Anita was against it. She stood on herself and took education, and did not only made her future, but she also changed the life of other people. Now, let's see how Anita did all this in her own words. Hello friends, my name is Anita. I stay in Bocha village of Bihar. Bocha village is in Muzaffar district. Let's search Bihar on the map of India. Here see, this is Bihar state and this is Muzaffar district. And here is my village Bocha. In my family, I have father, mother and two younger brothers. I go school now, but it was not an easy journey. Do you want to know about me? When I was small, I used to go to Gray's Goat. On the way, there was school. I also used to feel to go to school, study and become something in life. But my parents told me they cannot afford my studies. When the school sir came to know about it, he visited my house and explained my parents that every child has the right to take education, and for that they don't need to spend much. My parents agreed and started sending me to school, and my school started. Friends, you also might get many things in your school like the notebooks, textbooks, raincoats, uniform, midday meal, right? Due to heavy rain in Goa, children are given free raincoats. The same way, schools in Goa are left in the afternoon, so the children are given pav bhaji in the midday meal. And in other part of India, students are provided with foods such as dal, rice and vegetable. Let's listen further what Anita says. When I started going 6th standard, my father said, "Enough now, enough going to school." But I wanted to continue. So I started earning by myself, by taking tuitions at home. Neighboring small kids used to come for tuitions, but the nearby people used to stop them from coming to me. But I used to teach them with love, which did not stop them from coming to me. And they joined again. Many girls from village used to not go to school. I talked and made their parents understand the importance of education and started their school. While taking further education, I heard about the beekeeping that was going in my village. Near my village, there are a lot of lychee trees, and honeybee gets attracted towards the lychee flowers. I started taking training on beekeeping and also started keeping the bees. After finishing my tuitions, the money that I collected, I spent it to buy 2 boxes to keep honeybees. The boxes are known as apiary. And from the remaining amount, I bought a apiary cleaner medicine and sugar to make sugar water, which was given as food to the bees. In the September month, I started with my work. Starting, I faced a lot of difficulties. Honeybees used to bite. It was very painful, but I did not stop. Till December, due to the increase in the bees, I had to get more 2 boxes for bees. In February, the lychee trees get seeds. That time I kept the boxes in the lychee garden. From each box I got 12 kg honey, total 48 kg honey from 4 boxes. When I sold honey in the market, I got my first earning and I was very happy. In many places of Goa, also beekeeping business is been done, such as Sateri, Sangam, Kepem, Darbundar, Pardes. Along with this, fish farming is also done in Goa, such as prawns, sungta, crabs, kulli, ancient sea birds, chonak, lemonfish, more so. They have been farmed in lakes, rivers, ponds or cages in village. Friends, this is the story of Anita. So let's go through what we have learned about Anita today. Anita was born in Bihar, Muzaffar district, village Bocha. Due to efforts of school sir, Anita was able to go to school. When she reached standard 6th, she started taking tuitions for small kids. When she started college, she took training of beekeeping, and the earning that she did through beekeeping, she bought boxes, box cleaner and sugar. Anita became a successful beekeeper. Honeybee takes lot of efforts to make honey. Same way, Anita also took lot of efforts for her studies. Anita came to know the importance of education, and now she visits the nearby village and explain the people of village how much important it is to educate the children. We should get motivated from Anita. She is a super girl. In the second part, we will learn more about honeybee. Thank you.